Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm here with my friend Katie. We're at a game day celebration.
So tell me, how did you do all of this?
This is Wegmans Taco Party for 12. You get all the sides, the in-store tortilla chips, which these are delicious. I love these. And the flour tortillas.
So what does it come in?
Yeah, okay. When we tailgate next week, all of this comes in one package.
Wow.
Can you believe it?
That is awesome.
Isn't it awesome? So it actually comes with the tablecloth, so we're gonna be able to lay it out while we're tailgating. No one's gotta worry, no one's gotta cook. We can just relax and enjoy ourselves.
And then the big question.
Yes.
What about dessert?
Tres Leches cake.
Okay.
Catering ordered that for me as well.
So how do I get this? Where do we order it from?
Yeah, it's so easy. You're just gonna go to Wegmans.com. You can order it online or just call your local catering desk and they'll put it together for you.
What a great idea. Let's go watch some football.
Yeah, enjoy the game.